Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the beach with my family.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I had a great time. The weather was perfect.
What did you do yesterday?
I studied for my exams and watched a movie.
Which movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy called The Funny Adventures.
Who called you last night?
My friend Sarah called me.
What did she say?
She invited me to her birthday party.
How was your holiday?
It was amazing. I visited Paris.
Did you play any sports last week?
Yes, I played basketball with my team.
Did your team win?
Yes, we won by 10 points.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate pancakes and drank orange juice.
Did you wake up early today?
Yes, I woke up at m.
Where did you go after school yesterday?
I went to the library to study.
Did you cook dinner last night?
No, my mom cooked dinner for us.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at p.m.
Where did you travel last summer?
I traveled to Italy with my family.
Did you take many pictures?
Yes, I took a lot of pictures of the beautiful scenery.
How did you get there?
We took a flight from New York to Rome.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, it was an unforgettable experience.
Who did you travel with?
I traveled with my parents and sister.
Did you study for the test?
Yes, I studied all night.
What did you learn in class yesterday?
We learned about ancient civilizations.
Who helped you with your homework?
My brother helped me with math.
Did you finish your project on time?
Yes, I finished it 2 days ago.
What book did you read last week?
I read Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone.
Did you go to work yesterday?
Yes, I worked from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m.
What task did you complete?
I completed the monthly sales report.
Who assigned you the project?
My manager assigned it to me.
Did you have a meeting with your boss?
Yes, we discussed the new marketing strategy.
Did you call your grandparents last week?
Yes, I called them on Sunday.
What did they say?
They told me they missed me and wanted to visit soon.
Did you spend time with your siblings?
Yes, we played board games together.
Where did you meet your best friend?
I met my best friend at a coffee shop.
What did you talk about?
We talked about our weekend plans.
Did you watch a movie last night?
Yes, I watched a romantic comedy.
What did you do on Saturday?
I went hiking with my friends.
Did you listen to music yesterday?
Yes, I listened to some jazz.
Which game did you play on your computer?
I played Minecraft.
Did you paint anything recently?
Yes, I painted a sunset last weekend.
Who helped you with your homework?
My brother helped me with math.
Did you exercise yesterday?
Yes, I went for a run in the park.
Did your team win the match?
No, we lost by 1 point.
Who scored the most goals?
John scored 3 goals for our team.
What sport did you play last weekend?
Yes, it was an exciting match.
Did you attend the party on Friday?
Yes, I went with my friends.
What did you wear to the wedding?
I wore a formal black suit.
Who did you meet at the event?
I met some of my old school friends.
What gift did you buy for Sarah?
I bought her a necklace.
Did you dance at the party?
Yes, I danced a lot and had fun.
Did you go shopping yesterday?
Yes, I bought some clothes and groceries.
What did you buy at the mall?
I bought a new pair of shoes.
Did you try the new restaurant in town?
Yes, I tried their pasta, and it was delicious.
Who paid for dinner?
My brother paid for it.
Did you bake a cake for the party?
Yes, I baked a chocolate cake.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was sunny and warm.
Did it rain last night?
Yes, it rained heavily.
Where did you see the rainbow?
I saw it from my window after the rain.
Did you go for a walk in the park?
Yes, I went for a walk in the evening.
Did you visit the zoo last weekend?
No, I didn't.
How did you feel after the exam?
I felt relieved because it wasn't hard.
Did you enjoy the movie?
Yes, it was very entertaining.
Why did you feel sad yesterday?
I felt sad because I missed my friend's call.
Were you nervous before the presentation?
Yes, but it went well in the end.
Did you feel tired after the workout?
Yes, I was exhausted.
Did you find your lost keys?
Yes, I found them under the couch.
Who borrowed your book last week?
My classmate borrowed it.
Did you hear the news about the event?
Yes, I heard about it yesterday.
Did you win any prizes in the contest?
Yes, I won first place in the painting competition.
Where did you park your car?
I parked it in the garage.
Who did you talk to on the phone last night?
I talked to my cousin.
Did you fix the broken chair?
Yes, I repaired it with glue.
What time did you leave the house?
I left at 8 o'clock a.m.
Did you borrow a book from the library?
Yes, I borrowed a history book.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered them in the morning.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched a documentary about wildlife.
Who gave you this gift?
My sister gave it to me for my birthday.
Did you catch the bus on time?
Yes, I caught it just before it left.
Did you take your dog for a walk?
Yes, I took him for a walk in the park.
What did you drink at the cafe?
I drank a cup of hot chocolate.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small village.
Did you enjoy your childhood?
Yes, I had a lot of fun with my friends.
Did you help your parents with chores?
Yes, I helped them clean the house.
Did you clean your room yesterday?
Yes, I organized everything and vacuumed the floor.
What did you find in the drawer?
I found some old photos.
Did you lose your wallet yesterday?
Yes, but luckily I found it later.
Did you hear the birds singing this morning?
Yes, I did.